Hello and welcome to the Manifestor's Circle. In today's video, we're going to be discussing the teachings of Neville Goddard, a mysterious spiritual teacher and writer who wrote extensively about the power of manifesting, the law of attraction, and how they work in the mind. One of the key principles that Neville emphasized in his work was the importance of letting go and not holding on to a specific outcome when manifesting your desire. In other words, he warned against trying to force your manifestation to appear in a certain way. According to Neville, the mistake of creating resistance by trying to control the outcome of your manifestation is a common one, but it's a mistake that can prevent you from achieving your goals. Instead of trying to force things to happen, Neville suggests that we should focus on creating a positive state of mind and allowing our manifestation to unfold naturally. One way to do this is to imagine yourself already in possession of whatever it is you're trying to manifest. For example, if you're trying to manifest a new job, imagine yourself already working in that job and feeling happy and fulfilled, earning more money than you've ever dreamed of. This visualization technique can help you let go of any resistance and allow your manifestation to appear in your physical world. Another important aspect of manifesting, according to Neville, is to trust in the process and have faith that your manifestation will come to pass. This means not giving in to doubt or fear, and instead maintaining a positive mindset and a sense of trust that everything will work out for the best. Whether you're religious or not, the law of attraction has been proven to work best when you put your trust in the unseen forces at work in the world and let things unfold for you with as little effort as possible. To avoid the mistake of creating resistance and blocking your own manifestation, focus on creating a positive state of mind. Let go of any attachment to a specific outcome and trust in the universe to bring you what you want in its own time. Remember, manifesting is not about forcing things to happen, but rather about allowing them to unfold naturally.